Up guys, we have five hot AI news that recently dropped. First one is that Google DeepMind actually hired a philosopher. We are going to talk about each and everything. The next one is that Anthropic is going to come out soon with their Claude Opus 4.7, and it's shaking the stocks that are related to design, the web design, including Adobe, Wix, Figma, GoDaddy. Then we have a new version of Claude Code in desktop app, and it's quite different from what was previously available. The number of monthly active users on Grok is climbing, and just like you have skills in Claude Code, similarly you can have skills inside Chrome. These will be inbuilt in your Gemini, as you can see, but it will be available if you are in US, Canada, India, or New Zealand. We'll discuss about that. So first step, I have to clear over here that I'm not recording my own video because it's kind of pretty late 1 a.m. at the night, and it takes a lot of time to edit if I record my own video. So we are going straight into it. Google DeepMind has hired a real philosopher. The name of the guy is Henry Shevlin, and he's teaching at Cambridge University. And the purpose of hiring him is to, basically focus on machine consciousness, human AI relationship, and to be ready for the AGI that is gonna come. Some say sooner than what we expect. I found another interesting post, and over here I would like to shed some more light on who's actually this Henry guy. I show you his profile over here, but it's important that we read the context. So he is one of the world's leading researchers on machine consciousness at Cambridge. He runs programs at the Liverholm Center for Future of Intelligence. He's published on whether AI systems can have moral status, whether LLMs might already have some. You'd even detect consciousness if it appeared in a neural network. He gives current models a 20% chance of having something that could be called consciousness. And that's pretty much the background. And let's see the profile of this guy who has been hired as a philosopher and associate director, Liverhorn, CFI, University of Cambridge, and 16.1k posts, as you see over here, quite into the AI space. Okay guys, next up, this one relates to Anthropic, shipping new updates and features like crazy. And from the information that we have, Claude Opus 4.7 is gonna come out pretty soon. And the thing is that it's gonna have a lot of AI powered tools for designing websites and presentations, as you can see over here. And the news says that it could be released as soon as this week. And we know that Anthropic has a history of churning out updates faster than anyone imagines. And it's supposed to have design capabilities that will help both technical and non-technical users create presentations, websites, landing pages, and products using simple prompts in natural language. This is going to be a game changer. And when this news came out a few hours ago, shares of GoDaddy, Adobe, Wix, Figma edged lower actually on Tuesday on the heels of a report that Anthropic is preparing for a new AI powered tool for designing websites and presentations. See, that's the effect these AI companies have on the stocks. Next up, this is also related to Claude. So we have a new version of Claude Code in the desktop app, and from the post that we have from Felix, who actually works at Anthropic on Claude Cowork and Claude Code, he says that it has been redesigned from the ground up for parallel work and is a lot faster. To show you this video, you see there's some parallel work going on over here. So this seems kind of interesting. There's some more update. This thread, it basically continues to say that it will have an integrated terminal. In-app file editing or rebuilt diff viewer refers to an upgraded or redesigned interface designed to display the differences between two versions of a file, code, or data structure. Okay, now that makes sense. Then we are gonna see side chats, SSH connections. SSH connections similarly are network protocol that provide a secure and encrypted way to access and manage remote computers over an unsecured network. So basically it means that we are going to have more security features in the new version, and then a large amount of little quality of life. That is wonderful. I also came across this post, and usually this data is verified. So in March, Grok had 65.69 million monthly active users, and it is well more than February. In January, there were 63.86, and I think this number is gonna keep on increasing from here. Grok is a wonderful tool, and I've been using it quite a lot. As you can see, I have it open. Well, basically you cannot see, I have this screen cropped. The next important update is that, well, in Chrome we are gonna have the skills. So skills in Chrome let you discover, save and remix AI workflows and repeat them instantly. This is gonna make sense. Let me just bring you to this paragraph. This is one example how you can use it, and you will definitely be able to visualize how it will help you in your workflow. So it says that until now, repeating an AI task like asking for ingredients substitutions to make a recipe vegan meant re-entering the same prompt as you visited different pages. To make this easier, we are launching skills in Chrome, which lets you save and reuse your most helpful AI prompts and run them with a single click. That is gonna be, I think, a pretty productive update. It is gonna save you time, and it's also gonna help you be consistent with the results that you would like to have. So this is how it's gonna look. You see there's skills, and let me just have you see this again. There the skills. That seemed quite interesting. So here we have another example. So it started off with analyzing this recipe, and let's see what they do. Then save this prompt. Okay, they saved the prompt and gave it a name. Interesting. And well, the skill was saved. That is interesting. Then they are also launching a library of ready to use skills for common tasks and workflows. And there's one important thing about safety while using your these skills that you will make. So it says that skills are built on Chrome's foundation of security and privacy, and they utilize the same safeguards we applied to prompts in Gemini in Chrome. That means a skills prompt will ask for confirmation before taking certain actions, such as adding an event to your calendar or sending an email. And skills benefit from Chrome's layered protections, including automated red teaming and auto update capabilities. So like this will be pretty safe even if you have to, well, integrate it with the other Google workspace apps. So all of this seems quite interesting. I read a lot about the AI updates and everything, and I'm learning about AI, trying to implement these in my workflows. And well, I'm doing a full-time job and learning and, well, keeping up to date with the AI news. That's a passion of mine. If you think that this video helped you in any way, so do feel free to support this video in any way that you deem, well, reasonable. It could be a like, it could be a comment, or subscribing to the channel. And hopefully we'll see each other in the next video. In the meanwhile, on the screen you'll be seeing one that YouTube thinks you should watch next. So we'll see each other in the next one. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.